All right, everybody, we are back, and today we have Parkhurst, 2019-2020 Parkhurst. This box comes with 10 cards per pack, 12 packs per box, also with 2 bonus packs. And I bought a lot of cards recently. It came with 5 of these Parkhursts, and then 5 more 2019. Ooh, 2020 upper deck. Just poke the box open, and that cost me about $90 something, so it was a good deal. It's a good deal. I'm probably gonna open some on the channel, open some in my lonesome, and sell some boxes. But holy crap, should have opened this before I started recording. Good lord, can't even know why is this? There we go. Plastic, very strong on this product. I need to get one of those fancy box cutters that all the big YouTubers have, because your boy is not great at boxes. So, these boxes, if you can see that, because I poked a hole right in the middle of it, there are prominent prospect autographs. So, I'm not sure what we got in here. I know a lot. I think each pack has a rookie card. I don't know what to expect, honestly. So here is opening. I think we should have 14 packs, I believe. The 2 bonus packs. Let's see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I guess that includes the 2 bonus ones. Alright. That's fine. That's fine. Sure I'm not missing any, right? No? There's a beeper in there. Okay. Back to the unboxing. So, here's our first pack of 12. We have John Klingberg, Matthew Barzal, Adam Morrison, Ilya Kovalchuk, Tyler Myers. Oh, Jack Hughes rookie, not bad at all. And Pierre-Luc Dubois insert. This is Parky, I think. Oh, nice little insert of Pierre-Luc Dubois. Got Braden Holtby, Victor Hedman, Carl Hagelin. Next pack. Let's see in the back here. Ooh, I haven't done this in a hot second. Got Michael Grabner, Austin Matthews, Jonathan Drouin, David Pastrnak, Eric Brandstrom rookie. We have a gray parallel of Mikko Rantanen, Patrice Bergeron, Mikko Koskinen, Brian Rust, and Zdeno Chara. Organize this stack here. I don't want to have a full mess on my hands. Lose them. All right, pack number 3. I'm liking this stuff. This is much better. I know I said in the lot I got 5 more cases of 1920 upper deck. I can almost guarantee you I will not open that, and you'll know why if you saw my last unboxing videos. We got Nick Leddy, Connor McDavid, Anders Lee, background Cliffy Hockey falling down, Anders Lee, Jacob Slavin, Phil the Thrill, Mario Ferraro, rookie. We have a Hailstorm, Steven Stamkos. Played like 2 minutes in the Cup Finals. In the whole playoffs, actually. Scored a goal. That's all that matters. Stanley Cup champion, Tampa Bay Lightning. We have Hampus Lindholm, Rasmus Dahlin, and Darnell Nurse. Pack number, what was it, 4 here? All right. Elias Lindholm, JT Compher, Alec Martinez, Sergei Bobrovsky, Taro Hirose, rookie, Mitch Marner, gold, old border, Kyle Palmieri, Jonathan Quick, Tyler Toffoli, and Tyler Bertuzzi. Oh, excuse me, I had a presentation earlier today. Running out of breath. Nice. We have a sneeze coming. Ooh. Riley Smith, Mikhail Sergachev, Philip Hedl, Dustin Brown, Gustav Nyquist, Teddy Blueger, rookie. We have a view from the ice, Mark Scheifele. Those are cool cards. I like those. Those are very nice. It's like against the Red Wings, Jimmy Howard there. Very nice. Matt Dumba, Anthony Mantha, fresh off new contract, and Elias Anderson. We have Ryan Johansson, Josh Bailey, Alexander Barkov, Blake Wheeler, Will Borgen, I don't know, Boone Jenner, Gray, Ryan Ellis, John Gibson, Kyle Connor, and Oscar Klefbom. I'm hoping to get an auto out here. That'd be dope. All right. William Karlsson, Brandon Montour, Evander Kane. Just kidding, we're back. Sorry, my hands are so big. I didn't realize that. As most of you know, my setup is very bad, and I can't see what I'm actually recording. So I was just checking the footage back, and holy crap, my left hand is ginormous. Anyways, Eric Stahl, Carl Soderberg, Carson Kuhlman rookie card. Have a Braden Point parking insert. Very nice. Nikolai Ehlers, Jason Dickinson, and Dougie Hamilton. We have 5 packs left to go. 1, 2, 3, yeah, whatever. Counting's for suckers. We have Max Domi, Braden Point, Colin White, excuse me, Sidney Crosby, All-Star, Carson Twarynski, rookie. All right, we got a Capo Caco, Prominent Prospects. Very nice. See how he pans out next year. Not a bad pull at all. So let me separate these. Got Brady Tkachuk, Jacob Chikrin, Jesper Bratt, and Tom Wilson. Are these All-Star cards special? No, I guess not. Just be in the base set. Very nice. I'm telling you, I have this Cliffy hockey card in the back that sits by this is my work area. It keeps falling down. That's why I'm not a fan. All right. We have Alex DeBrincat, Tomas Tatar, Derek Stepan, Jonathan Marchessault, Kevin Hayes, Nikita Gusev, rookie, and Leon Draisaitl. Insert. We have Jimmy Howard, Sven Baertschi, and Mark Giordano. 3 packs left in the break. Be considerably longer than my other breaks. Evgeny Dadonov, whatever you want to say, Cam Atkinson, Andrei Vasilevsky, Tyson Barrie, Tobias Bjornfoot, not a bad prospect. Got Zach Parise, gray border. Kasperi Kapanen, now a member of the Penguins again, I believe. Alexander Wenberg, Charlie McAvoy, and Lars Eller. Second to last pack here. Which one feels heavier? Just the off chance. I get something good. Heavier pack on the side. Probably not heavier, but whatever. Got Jason Zucker, Shea Weber, Timo Meier, Calvin DeHaan, Zach Sanderson, rookie, and a view from the ice, Vladimir Tarasenko during the Stanley Cup Finals. Trying to give me some deja vu. Not a fan, but cool card nonetheless. Jordan Greenway, Tomas Chabot, Jakob Silfverberg, and Jordan Staal. Last pack of the day. Not a bad break. Honestly, each of these boxes that I bought in the break are about $9.20 each if you divide the payment up. So not bad at all for $9. Got OEL, Bo Horvat, Rasmus Ristolainen, Barack Besser, I don't know what that is, Erik Karlsson, Jacob Middleton, rookie. Yeah, oh, it's Hailstorm, Patty Kane. Very nice. Nico Hischier, Mikael Backlund, and Michael Frolik as our final card. Oh, that's plastic. So not a bad break at all. I think the highlight's probably the Capo Caco prominent prospects out of that break. Some other good ones. Got the first one, Jack Hughes, rookie. Probably not much in terms of valuation, but still a cool card nonetheless. So thank you all for tuning in today, and stay tuned for more breaks. Thank you.